nervous and yes. And I'm very anxious. I was not expecting to have this launch. However, with the great support and idea from Mang Olivio, Manatita Belambrique, Manatita, Eman Lezarga, and of course, where is Juvenal Branco? This guy. And our amazing videographer, New Flame Production, and also with the amazing and kind support of the sponsors. Once again, Mount Sam Manazinat, if you can stand. Timor Trading and Yellowtail, thank you very much, Manay Mount. Yeah, trading, yes, exactly. And also from Yellowtail, yes. Mount Johnny Nazareth and Manazelia Lemus, are they here?
No.
Okay, no, they're not here. And also Father Nelson Freitas from Igreja Manatutu, Father Nelson here. Father Noel, Kaogan, where are you, Kaogan? Unita Skyra, where is Uni? Okay, Uni's not here. But also Jenny and the crew, Jenny Oigne. Nania Mucoarte is not here, but Fidelio is here?
No.
Fidelio is not here. Platinum Cineplex, thank you very much, Mount Tunin, and also to all of you who are here tonight, especially my siblings, my older brother is here, my sister, older sister here. Thank you, and also my mom, Hanimaila, unfortunately, but that's okay. My brother, my sister, and my nephews and nieces are here. My besties, Hania best friends here at Urlene. And people that and friends that already become like family. So you know who you are. Thank you once again. Thank you. Okay, now let's get to the serious part. Shadow. Shadow is a song, or La Lata, is a song that I wrote 1 year after my dad passed away. Muzika na beha kerek tinaida. Depois halipai.
Get this. Got it. Hello. Bepi. We love you.
So in 2016, I reminisce and remembered that I had very little time spent with my father.
You can do it.
You got this, man.
You can do it. He's watching them right
Tempo barak teteves tambah kwano kikuang ami alima ropai. Let me mix with English and Tetung. I mixed it. I borrowed my handkerchief, so I just forgot. And then I went to the seminary, but coming back, but we spent very little time with our dad. So there's also feeling of regret, sadness, but also in that moment after 1 year, I tried to reminisce. I tried to remember again how koko para to relembra fifari memoria when hira sigikuang amuto ko pai. No, iha momento na ba udang hela how kerek ti musika rane shadow. The lyrics of the songs were mostly expressions. That's why I think it's important that I explain to you first before we watch this. Música rane mayoría expressão de tamba carga Timor difícil ter ita tu dihan ba. Ita tu dihan ba itene pai main kadong misir. Ontau niya música né? How expressa nessa ita Timor, ita usa expressão barakli, dos kale. So we use a lot of expression, and I say, I know you were with me, always with me throughout the entire time. I feel safe when you are around. So Dad, please don't let me go. I know you and Mama make me a whole, like a fool, but and now that you're gone, you are the best half of my life. And I used to feel safe when you were here by my side. So, Dad, if you can, just please don't ever go. You know, sometimes when we have our loved ones, sometimes we forget to appreciate them. We tend to forget to make them feel loved. Only when they're gone that you feel there is a missing part to your life. Shadow is a representation of a feeling of belonging. Lalatak ne hanesan representa saung idohusi ita sinti katak niene parti idohusi. An attachment to us, a bond that will always we have no matter what. Like our bond with our mom and dad, we always have it. Like we can break up with everybody, but with mom and dad, we never. Yeah, thank you very much. But sometimes I question, Shadow, why do you have to exist? Why would you never let me go? I know I'm fine, but still you keep me company. Shadow, why you are so quiet, but thank you for making me feel safe. Fathers are our protectors. Itanipai and isang itaninya protectors. Fathers are our guardians. Itanade sempre for haloita sinti seguro. No, fathers are the greatest companies. And sometimes, probably they do not show it to us. I don't know what happened with fathers. but, but rest assured, fathers will always protect you. Yes, fathers are not perfect. Perfect. Sometimes we argue with them. Sometimes we feel annoyed by them. Sometimes we thought that we dislike their attitudes and their flaws. But you know what? Fathers are also human. And they make mistakes. Father's love may not be the same or as compassionate and soft and loving as our moms or our mothers. However, the presence of our father makes us feel safe. They make us feel protected. And in this song I also mentioned, when there is light, I'm happy to have you, but sometimes I forget about you and I feel bad if I do so. When our dad was still around, I was happy. I was happy to see him. But once again, we tend to forget them. And we spend time doing other things. We spend more time with our friends. We spend more time at work and other activities. Then, when our fathers, when he is no longer with us, we feel bad that we have not spent a lot of time with our fathers. Dala barakliu, ita ladung aprecia o hirap ita ni paisi hamutu ko ita. Ita gasta tempo barakliu com atividades com colega. To hira nila iho na pinta diyan. Divya uluk kau gasta tempo barak ko niya lai. I try to portray how much I want to reopen the door, the closed door, but there is still another door that is closed forever. Ia música era ne hakoko atu hatulu liusi ora mata. Atu loke filafali atu bele hanoi filafali memoria o hanipai. Mai be usi ora matang ne ia no ora matang ne be taka by eternidade, eternidade. Pai la ia tu. Now I can only remember the lessons he taught, the life values and principles he has left for me and my siblings. Agora, se bele hanoi ainda tô na mensagem no lição só não vemos nem fahe baita. And now, if your dad are still here with you, please cherish them. Halo ito ni pai content. Spend time. Let us cherish our fathers when they're still around or no longer amongst us. Make their memories live long in us. Halo sir ne memoria ne helamenti hoita. And let us make them proud from heaven that we are successful now. Halo itene pai sinti orgulho hoitene sucesso sira. This song I would like to specially dedicate to my dad and all of our fathers who are now resting in eternal peace. Shadow.